MRG is the third largest gas distribution company in Spain and the second in the Community of Madrid, currently supplying gas to over 820,000 points. It is the only company in Spain which operates an independent distribution network, taking into account objectives and set values, thus converting it in a leading company in the energy market. Its action plan focuses on quality, not only respecting and preserving the environment, but also maintaining the highest levels of service and quality in its installations. At the same time, MRG ensures strict compliance with safety measures, guaranteeing both the material and the necessary equipment in each of the processes that it carries out. The activities that MRG have to carry out within the distribution network, such as bypass, relocation, etc., are generally caused by public works, such as new works, the widening of roads or railway lines, or new developments. Thus, the existing network becomes incompatible with the new work, making it necessary to modify its current path. Generally, these types of works are promoted by third parties who carry out the civil works and the preparation of the area, MRG being responsible for the channeling of the gas pipeline, which includes carrying out the actual installation, the commissioning of the new pipeline, and the decommissioning of the former to comply with existing regulations. The disconnection of the existing pipeline and its connection to the new pipeline is carried out with sophisticated methods and a special technology that allows the flow of gas from one pipeline to another without gas leaking to the outside. This must be done without affecting customers that are on that same network, the supply being guaranteed at all times without disturbance, all this requiring a detailed and thorough planning and the adoption of the strictest safety measures. Another of the many works performed by MRG is the layout and construction of new gas pipelines, mainly brought about by an increase in consumption in certain areas or by the introduction of gas into new towns, residential or industrial areas. The gas distribution company thus receives a substantial increase in new gas consumption, both industrial and residential. To perform this task, an existing network that is already in service has to be connected with a new municipality or catchment area. Depending on the size of the municipalities or areas, these pipelines can be made of steel, a material used to transport the gas in distribution networks that involve large distances and that do not cross major urban areas, since that type of installation would require special conditions. Polyethylene pipes are generally used for distribution networks in towns or cities due to their ease of handling and maintenance, as they do not require any complicated methods for installation or servicing. Once the new links with the areas are in place, the distribution network infrastructure that will pass through urban and public areas and streets has to be developed, and these installations will invariably have to be carried out in private property, either in individual or community land. These types of installations are called IRC, Common Reception Installation, or IRI, Individual Reception Installation, depending on whether they run through community areas such as apartment buildings or condominiums, or private homes and/or detached houses. In Spain, all installations carried out by the distributor up to the gas valve at the entrance to the building can be considered as an investment. The distributor is also responsible for putting the line into service. This activity is considered an important asset of the company, which, added to its services, makes it a broadly effective company in its sector.